Here's the situation. I am staying with my friends here in Gothenburg. It's been a wonderful Easter weekend, and now we're meant to fly to Bergen in Norway. Unfortunately, we get to the airport last night, and all seems very calm. I'd say Scandinavians are very calm in the face of chaos, which I need to take a leaf out of that book. We slowly realized that all flights from 3 p.m. onwards have not left. They've been at a standstill, and we're thinking, here we go. And eventually the flight gets cancelled. Then they announce that they're exploring if they can put on a flight, because there are no flights for like the next 3 days. Eventually the flight gets confirmed. That's for 2:30 this afternoon. So stay tuned, see if we get there. It's gonna taste that much sweeter if I touch down and I get to these fjords. What do they say? It's about the journey, not the destination. At this point, I just kind of care about the destination on this one, I'll be honest. Yeah, I'd really like to get there and see what happens. Have a gate, ladies and gentlemen. We are on our way to Norway.
So you get those crusts.
Get the crusts, bro. This is beautiful. Alright, we made it. What a journey. We managed to get on the flight, and we could not have been more lucky with these conditions. We're now in Ireland, which is the next village along from the very famous Flom, where you end up at the end of Flåmsbana Railway, which is considered one of the most beautiful railways in the world. I would agree, postcard after postcard view. Apparently here in this valley as well, the weather was so intense. The taxi driver we were talking to, he got blown off the road, and now I think that's all been blown away and we've been left with these sensational conditions. Otherworldly. So now we're just taking a breather because it's been a bit go-go because we lost time, and we're going to try and hike straight up these mountains to Stegastein, which is the famous viewpoint here. I'll show you a bit of that in a sec, but for now, I'm just going to take it all in. that's it, we've done it. It's been a wild ride, some learnings. Definitely come in the beginning of spring because there's no one here. You get all the scenery to yourself. We did the hike up to Stegastein, and we were the only people there at sunset. If you do come, I recommend coming April. Obviously the risk is you never know what the weather's going to be, so do your research, get flexible tickets if you can. We're heading back into Bergen now, and then I'm going to fly back to London. But this has been Norway in a nutshell, as they say. Sweet.